Hello! Welcome back to my little chatty, sassy corner here on YouTube where I talk about all things luxury. It is December 23rd, so happy Christmas Eve. I am finally getting around to Vlogmas, which means that you will see Christmas tree decorating, you will see Christmas baking, you may see some Christmas lights and some Christmas wrapping, as well as potentially some Christmas gifts. So with that, let's get into the video. Christmas shopping was a big bust, so no luck here, but unfortunately nothing to show you because everything I wanted was gone and it's 2 weeks before Christmas. And it wasn't even stuff for me, it was stuff for other people. So make sure that you have Christmas shopped because, like always, luxury stores run out. Decorating time. So I have 2 trees this year, which I'm super excited about. I'm only getting to decorate them the week before Christmas because of our move, but I don't care. I love Christmas tree decorating. So I'm going to do this one, and then I'll also do the one in our downstairs living area. Let's get decorating. Want to decorate the tree? Do you want to decorate the tree, Chloe? Where do you want this one to go? You want to go here? You like it here? Good dog. Where's Can't wait to go. Where do you think it should go, Chloe? Should it go here? If you know me in this channel, you'll probably guess what happened. My battery died and I did not realize it. So decorated the rest of the tree. This is a Hobby Lobby tree. We got it when they were doing the 60% off, but the berry picks are actually going to be the Balsam Hill berry picks. Got them on Black Friday. Also the ornaments, I think I got like 160 something of these ornaments. These are Martha Stewart, but got them at Home Goods. And so paid 40 bucks for all those ornaments. So we've got Christmas presents and garland here. We have Chloe, who's a good girl. We put our stockings, which the dog stocking is from Pottery Barn. The other two are from, I believe it's Land's End. And just some garland up on the fridge. And then just my little gingerbread house in the kitchen. Christmas tree. Number 2. Is actually filled with lots of ornaments from my grandmother, as what she did for me and my cousins every year is give us an ornament at Christmas. That way, whenever we moved into our own home, we would be able to fill a tree with lots of really just beautiful, beautiful ornaments. And so this tree has all of those on it, as well as some fun ones that I have bought, and then travel ornaments that my husband and I have collected together. So this one is really very much our fun tree. Some of my favorites are that dog right there, as well as this glass Santa, which was actually the first ornament I got. And this star is from Balsam Hill. Then over here, this Santa is actually one that my mom made every year that we would go to the beach. She would get shells and then paint them and decorate them and turn them into Santas. And that one's from 1999. And so just a lot of really fun, cool ornaments on this tree. Of course, that one's from Chloe's first Christmas, from my cousins. And so just a lot of fun memories associated with this particular tree. And I think that it's a great idea to do something like this if you have kids or grandkids, so that their tree is extremely special, but also already decorated when they move out on their own. But as there are first world problems, thought I'd share one of mine. And that is that David Yurman, being the wonderful company that they are, always do gifts at Christmas time for purchases. And there was some things that arrived that I had to sign for at my house because my husband had it shipped to us instead of to his work. And well, there was a David Yurman ornament. There was this box of David Yurman playing cards that showed up today. And there was also the box that had the David Yurman item in it. I obviously did not open up any of these boxes. My husband did, gave me the ornament to put on the tree, gave me this really lovely playing card box, by the way. And then informed me that the box that I had signed for from David Yurman, I'm not getting for Christmas. He also said that he's unsure when he's going to give it to me, and that I just kind of have to wait around for a while. And if you know me, I'm not a really patient person. So who knows, maybe at the end of this vlog, there will be something showing what I got from David Yurman, although I doubt that I would get it. But who knows, maybe I'll get lucky.